long. The fridge. Okay, so this is part 2. I'm gonna put you up here, guys. Well, maybe I can edit this together. I don't know. Well, goodbye. Hope you like it up there. Leave your window for like 1 minute. Alright, I'm gonna move you. Now I'll put you down here. Oh man. How do I do this? How do I do this, man? How about here? Oh. How to put yourself? Here maybe? Oh, here looks good. Oh my god. Alright. Don't move, guys. It's not like you can.
Excuse me. What's going on here? Wait, don't close it. I need the mustard.
Okay. My mom needs some mustard.
Got it.
Now he's closing. Goodbye.
Anything fall?
No.
Okay, now I need the spinach.
Now she needs some spinach. Spinach.
Organic.
Organic.
Super green trio.
Super green trio. Sounds fun. No, you're up there, guys. Alright. That's that part. One more place, guys. And that's down here. Hold on. Just push some stuff.
Now I need
Bye.
you.
Now she needs spinach.